diving straight into crude oil, West Texas Intermediate futures here on the daily time frame. And that has now become apparent. We've had some very great opportunities off this bearish megaphone pattern that has continued to be the biggest technical clue that we have in the posture of the commodity and how this is trading. With a great backfill of a gap, short trade set up to the downside that was geared up for a double-digit crash. And here we are. You came up right back up to resistance, crossing that secondary primary downtrend resistance level in correlation of the 72.62 price resistance level, and that has been sold off violently off that key inflection point, which was good for call it almost an 8% crash at the downside. And here we are retesting the biggest price support level that we have seen in quite some time for crude oil, and it is the lows off the 2023 major big price support level, and that has been whipsawed. You had a false whipsaw reaction, false bear trap, which was been heavily with accumulation of short squeezing right back into that dual price resistance level, and it's been sold off since backtesting. Had a minor reactionary low right off that key price support level. And long traders, bull traders, here with the risk reward ratio to the upside, call it a very aggressive move in a specific near-term active trade setup to go on to retest the primary reactionary downtrend line. And that would be the basis for long traders to pop that level, take that key inflection point out to go re-challenge the primary reactionary uptrend line. Short sellers want to see a continuation on a complete breakdown, sell signal, additional big price support level with a ton of stops and margin calls to go off. You will have a confirmed technical structural damage within the moving average convergence, potentially breaking off into speed on a complete violent bearish crossover, in which you will spur additional technical damage that will infuse the odds of a far more violent sell-off. You have the Stochastics Custom 1033 already on a bullish crossover crashing to the downside, only increasing the odds of near-term volatility. Make no mistake about it, crude oil is gearing up for its next move, and when it hits, it's going to be monumental.